Hello, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In this video, I want to talk about Stepn Coin, GMT coin. I will analyze the market situation, I will talk about the price of Stepn coin, and also I will teach you how to buy Stepn GMT coin on Gateio without any fees. So watch the video until the end. Don't forget click the like button, don't forget subscribe, and remember that this is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. So in the first part of this video, I will explain you how to buy GMT coin on Gateio. So first of all, we need to have Gateio account. If you don't have Gateio account, you can just click the sign up link in the comment section and create your own account. And please remember that there are some restrictions for these countries which are in this list. So before you start registration process, please read this list carefully. And also one of the best things of Gateio is that they have got bonuses for new users. You can read here: complete beginners tasks and claim $100 Gateio points, trade and claim 5,500 worth of USDT, stable and reliable since 2013, and provides more than 1,000 currencies digital trading assets. So fill your personal information and create Gateio account. After you will create account, after you will finish this process, then log into your account. The next thing we need to buy Stepn is USDTs, because to buy Stepn we need to swap USDT. So first of all, go to buy crypto, choose one of these options, for example credit card. In the right gap, choose USDT. Here's a search bar, you can type USDT, and in the left gap, enter the amount of USD you are going to pay. The minimum amount is 30 USD. So you can choose 30 USD. Here are service providers. I prefer to use Banksa. You can also use Banksa or use any other option. So I will choose Banksa. They have very low fees. For example, we are paying 30 USD and we will receive 28.28 USDT, and the fees will be only 60 cents. So check this and go to purchase. If everything is correct, click create order and finalize your payment. After you will finish this process, you will have USDT on your Gateio balance. You can go to wallet, spot account, and here you will see your USDT balance. And now everything is ready to buy Stepn. So to buy Stepn, go to trade, click spot trading. In the search bar, type Stepn, choose GMT coin. Here in this gap, you should enter the amount of USDT you are going to pay. For example, 100 USDT. For 100 USDT, you will buy 38.9 GMTs. Then you should click buy, enter your fund pass, and buy Stepn on Gateio. After you will finish this process, to check your wallet, go to wallet and spot account. Here you'll find out your GMT balance. So that's all. It's very easy to buy GMT on Gateio without any gas fees and high fees. I suggest you to continue using Gateio, especially if you're a beginner. This is great crypto exchange platform. It's in top 5 exchanges in the world. Now let's talk about the price of GMT. As we can see, this coin came out about 1 month ago. Since then, the price was growing slightly, a little bit. You can see this on the chart before 28th March, when the chart became parabolic. We had an all-time high. After the all-time high, the price went down a little bit, but it's pumping again. So I think that I'm not giving you financial advice, but I think that this is one of the best cryptocurrencies, altcoins to buy in April of this year, because this cryptocurrency has great potential. It already made 12x gain for those people who bought it in the beginning, but I think that these coins still have a great potential in 2022. So the price is down after the all-time high. This is a good time to invest in GMT. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. It's on your choice whether you will buy it or not, but personally, I'm going to invest money in this coin. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video about GMT Stepn coin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking like button. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.